Class 20, Week 5 for 6A. Good morning, kids. Our class today will be about how to write a review. First of all, we are going to check what a review means and what it is for. The goal of a review is to evaluate or judge something. If you like a favorite band or a television show, a film, etc., these are judgments. When you write a review, your job is to state your opinion or judgment and support it by presenting reasons and evidence. What are the steps that we have to follow? Let's go. 1. Read, watch, or listen the work more than once. 2. Provide essential information. 3. Understand your audience. 4. State your opinion. And 5. Explain how you are judging the work. 6. Introduce evidence to support your criteria. 7. Note the specific elements: suspense, romance, theme, characters, etc. 8. Compare and contrast. 9. Provide general ideas of what happens, not giving secrets, obviously, the end. What is going to be following the steps that you read? Well, most of you have seen a video, you have seen a movie, or you have read something. So your practice 1 would be, you had to plan your movie review before writing. Start with a good topic sentence. It can state why you recommend the movie or why you don't recommend it. Decide on the details you are going to include, paying attention in the steps that you've read in the previous page. Then we are going to answer the following questions as you think about your review, and you have to take notes. Taking the notes of each of the answers is going to be easier to you to focus in the topic of the movie. Let's see the first question. What kind of people would enjoy or not enjoy the movie? 2. What is the movie based on? 3. Where and when does the movie take place? 4. Who are the main characters? 5. What actors play the roles? 6. What happens in the movie? 7. What makes the movie different from other movies? Let's go to read an example of a movie. The introduction, as they ask you, it has to be recommending or not recommending. So let's look at this. I highly recommend The Whale Rider to all kinds of people. It is the story of a remarkable Maori girl, Pai, who lives in New Zealand. Her mother and twin brother died when she was born, and her father lives in another country. Pai lives with her grandmother and grandfather. She is the next person in line to lead the Maori tribe after her grandfather. But she doesn't believe that a girl can be the leader. Her grandfather forms a cultural school for only the boys of the village to find a new leader. Pai, however, secretly participates in the training. The ending is extremely exciting and moving as Pi risks her life to become the hero of the community. The story and the incredible scenery makes this movie a wonderful experience. See this movie. Now, if we analyze this review, we can check first that they provide essential information. What is the principal topic or plot of the story? Then understand the audience. In this case, it is recommended for all kind of people. Also, they explain how the feelings that this ending shows, but they don't specify the feeling, or they don't specify the ending. They mention that it's exciting and moving, but no more. Then they have to specify the elements, okay, that it becomes a place far, it is a tribe, and the role of this girl that wants to be a leader. So all what is happening here is the way that the steps are to be followed. Also, we have here the compare and contrast. In this case, the grandfather only specifies that his school is for boys, but there is a contrast. Why? Because Pi is a woman and she wants also to become part of the community. And at the end, they give the recommendation. In this case, is a positive recommendation, and a sentence at the end invites the people to see the movie. So, what is going to be your work? Your work is first is you do your practice number 1. And in your workbook, you have the page 125, who also involves all the steps that we have read here in the review. Also, it appears an exercise that you have to write. This is going to be substituted by the practice number 1. You are going to prepare it and you will read it in our video class for the next time. I hope that you have learned how to write a review about a story in a film. Thank you very much for your attention and see you the next class. Bye.